Welcome to this Joyful Nature guided body and relaxation meditation. Words by Sansom and music from Kevin MacLeod. Begin by making yourself comfortable. You can either sit or lie down and have a blanket over you if you need it. Close your eyes and give yourself a moment to settle. Now, just become aware of your breath. Notice how the air enters and leaves your body. Notice how your chest or stomach gently rise and fall. Become aware of where your body is in contact with whatever surface you are sitting or lying on. Just notice how it feels where your body makes contact with the chair, the bed, or the floor. Now, become aware of your feet. Pay attention to the soles of your feet. How do they feel? Are they cold or hot? Relaxed or tense? Comfortable or achy? Just notice how the soles of your feet are feeling right now. Don't judge the feeling, just notice it. And then invite the soles of your feet to be comfortable and relaxed. Now become aware of your toes. How are they feeling? Do they feel stiff or twitchy? Invite them to be comfortable and relaxed. Notice the tops of your feet. How do they feel? Invite them to relax. And now notice your ankles and invite them to relax too. Now, as I say each body part, just take a moment to notice how it is feeling. Don't judge the feeling, just be curious, and then invite that body part to relax and be comfortable. Become aware of your calves and shins. Become aware of your knees. Become aware of the fronts of your thighs and the backs of your thighs. Become aware of your hips. Become aware of your buttocks. Become aware of your pelvic area. And invite the whole of your lower body to relax. Now become aware of your tummy. Become aware of your lower back. And if you do notice any tension, don't judge it. Simply invite the area to relax. Become aware of your rib cage and mid-back. Become aware of your upper back and chest. Become aware of your shoulders. Invite each of these areas to relax and be comfortable. Become aware of your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, become aware of your fingers and thumbs. Invite them to relax too. Become aware of your neck and throat. Become aware of your chin, your cheeks, your lips, your nose, your eyelids, the whole of your face. Relax the whole of your face. Become aware of the back of your head and the top of your head. Invite your whole body to relax. Notice the feeling of your breath now as it enters your nose or mouth. Can you feel it travelling down into your lungs? Can you sense the oxygen flowing into your bloodstream and travelling all around your body? Can you sense the other activities that are going on inside you? Your digestive system, your heart, your kidneys, all the organs working together to keep your body functioning in such a miraculous way. You don't have to tell your heart to beat, it does it for you. You don't have to tell your liver to remove toxins. It just does it. Become aware of your whole body, your muscles, your blood, your bones. Notice the space between stillness and movement. You are still and relaxed now. If you wanted to scratch your nose or shrug your shoulders, all you would have to do was let your body know, and it would do it for you. Just notice the space where you get to choose stillness or to choose movement. Just be aware of that beautiful space called choice. Now, become aware of your feet again. Imagine you are standing on soft grass or warm sand or the cool earth of a forest floor. Imagine you have roots growing out from the soles of your feet. Just like tree roots, they go deep, deep down into the earth. They can pass through soil, through water, through rock. They go deep into the earth. And just like tree roots, they draw up nourishment from the earth. The earth offers you this nourishment as energy. You may see this as an orange or red colour flowing up your roots and into your body. Or you may feel it as warmth, or a feeling of love, or just as a feeling of well-being. Picture your roots deep in the earth, nourishing you. These magic roots help you to stay connected and grounded, but they won't stop you from going about your everyday activities. You can still walk, drive, and even go up in an aeroplane and still be connected to the earth, still be nourished by the earth. Notice your breath again, and notice the air around your body. Can you feel the air touching your skin? Maybe on your cheeks, the tip of your nose, or on your hands. Can you feel the air around you? As you breathe the air in, you're taking in oxygen. This oxygen has been made by the trees and plants. As you breathe out carbon dioxide. And this is taken in by the trees and plants to help them grow and thrive. Can you sense this synergy between you and the trees and plants? Can you sense the relationship between you? Each offering something to the other and receiving something in return. Now, think about the last thing you ate and drank. What was it? Think about the ingredients. Then think about how they were grown. Imagine the field of tea plants and the leaves that were picked and dried for your cup of tea. Or imagine the field of wheat, the grazing cow, the upright sugar canes. Just take a moment to picture all these things growing. Think about all the plants and animals. Now think about all the people who harvested and tended to these crops and animals. Think about where they are in the world. Picture the earth as a globe and imagine how you are connected to all these different people, places, plants, and animals. It's amazing. You are part of the whole. You are connected to the whole. Take a moment to feel gratitude and to give thanks for this wholeness, for all the connections, for the way that nature helps us all to work together. You are part of the rivers and the seas. You are part of the mountains and forests. You're part of all life on this incredible planet. Now, come back to your own centre. Come back to your own breath. Just take a moment to acknowledge your contribution to the whole. There is only one you. Without you, there would be a U-shaped hole in this amazing tapestry of life. Take a moment to appreciate who you are. Take a moment to appreciate your incredible body. Thank your body for all the amazing things it does for you. Thank it for allowing you to interact with others and with nature. For being able to feel the breeze, taste the honey, smell the scent of a pine forest. Thank it for being able to hear the dawn chorus. Thank your body for being able to watch the glorious sunset. And thank your body for being able to touch and hold your loved ones, to feel the warmth of their skin and the softness of their hair. Thank all of nature. You are nature, and nature is you. Now, feel your body in contact with your chair or bed again. Begin to notice the sounds and smells around you. Become aware of the room you are in. And when you're ready, give your body a stretch and open your eyes.